This is the TransOurDream's Inkjet Glitter Iron-On Transfer Paper. I know it's designed for global home users, especially suitable for domestic irons. I want to print their photo on the cup and give it to my sister as an anniversary gift. Now let's open the package. There are instructions inside, which have complete operation steps and cautions. This is a transfer paper. Print on the blank side. Brand name is on the back side. Print image on the blank side. Don't print on the watermark side. Start to print the image to be transferred onto the paper. Note that the picture must be printed in mirror mode. Click Print. Once printing has finished, please check if the image is complete. Don't touch the image until it is dry. Dry for 10 minutes. After the image dries up, then you can cut it. Use scissors to cut off the extra white part of the paper. Shift the button of the iron to the cotton and linen and pay attention to turn off the steam. We lay our clothes on a solid surface. Don't use a home ironing board. Then we can iron the clothes. The images we will transfer should face up. Start ironing the image. Lightly place the iron on one side of the image, then slowly move it to the other side and make sure the image receives the same amount of heat. Heat the entire image to fix it to the t-shirt. Then press the iron hard on one side of the image. With about 8 kilograms of force, press the iron hard to heat the image and hold all areas of the image heating for 5 seconds. Then move slowly to the next area and continue to press hard to heat. Apply maximum, firm, and constant pressure to the iron. Repeat this step to press iron and heat the entire transfer paper. Circularly heat the entire transfer paper for 5 minutes. It is crucial that all areas of the image receive equal lengths of ironing. For at least 10 minutes. After the image cools down completely, peel off the film paper and the image is successfully transferred. If you want to transfer the image with heat press, for light transfer paper, set temperature to 190 degrees Celsius and time to 10 seconds. Adjust pressure knob to a bigger value. First, use heat press to iron the clothes without the image to smooth out the creases. Then, place the image in an appropriate position on the clothes. Cover with a sheet of silicone paper. Press down the handle and wait. After 10 seconds, lift up the handle. The image transfer is done. After the transfer paper has cooled down, peel off the backing paper. Cool the t-shirt for at least 10 minutes. After the image cools down completely, peel off the film paper and the image is successfully transferred. TransOurDream. Never give up.